Welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your PlayStation Network account where for some reason the network sign-in is just not working. Maybe it's telling you that it's failing or whatever the case is. Now the first thing I would recommend doing is to actually make sure that you're typing in your username and your password correctly. This is pretty much the first thing you can always try to do, and in my experience, anytime I have any issues, I pretty much just rely back on that, username and password that I'm typing in and seeing if I'm having any issues. Most of the time this may end up fixing it and you'll probably be good. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually make sure that I'm connected to a solid network connection. So I'd make sure I'm connected to a good Wi-Fi connection, Ethernet port that I have plugged in the back, whatever the case is. I'd make sure everything like that is set up properly, because if it's not, again, you can run into some other issues, and that can pretty much be the two main issues that you could probably be having. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to power restart your PS4 or PS5. So what this looks like is you go ahead and, unplug everything from your device and just let it kind of sit there for a little bit. And it just essentially power cycles. And at that point, all you have to do is go ahead and actually just power up your PS4 or PS5 again after you plug everything in. And then you want to go ahead and see if everything's working again. Most of the time, I will be honest, your things will probably end up working and you probably won't have to worry about anything after that. If everything works up and everything looks fine, then you'll probably be good to go. And those are pretty much the main things I'd recommend looking at. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you can do is to actually go ahead to actually see if the PlayStation Network is down. So what you can do here is you can go to websites like downdetector.com or isitdown.com, a couple different websites like that, and see if the PlayStation Network is down. Sometimes there can be some issues where the network is down, and you're pretty much just going to have to go ahead and just wait it out until they fix those issues. I've seen these issues time and time again, and this is another pretty big way to fix it for the most part. So that's pretty much it. Those are a couple different ways to fix it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.